Monsieur le Président, dans le budget, le ministre des Finances a annoncé aux Canadiens que des emplois devaient être créés en date du 27 mai. En juin, le Premier ministre a annoncé aux Canadiens que 80% des programmes de stimulation avaient créé des emplois. Le ministre peut-il dire aujourd'hui à la Chambre et aux Canadiens combien d'emplois ont réellement été créés par le programme de stimulation de l'infrastructure?
Honorable Ministre des Finances.
Mr. Speaker, we are, as committed to Canadians, in the process of preparing our third economic report to Canadians, which will be ready soon. And I can tell you the job creation and the job maintenance figures are even better than we had in the Economic Action Plan.
Honorable member for Foxvale, High Park. Order.
Well, Mr. Speaker, we know this minister has been too busy dividing up the pork to keep track, him and his fellow cabinet ministers. But we, Mr. Speaker, have examined hundreds of announced projects across the country. As of the beginning of September, only 12% of the main infrastructure fund is creating any jobs at all, an 88% failure rate. Mr. Speaker, the Prime Minister misled Canadians. The Finance Minister misled Canadians. The Infrastructure Minister responsible has failed them. Mr. Speaker, would anyone over there care to explain why they're letting down hundreds of thousands of unemployed Canadians and the Canadian economy so badly?
Order. The Honourable Minister of Transport.
Mr. Speaker, this government is working hard. We've put politics aside. We're working hard with Dalton McGuinty's Liberal government in Ontario. We're working with Danny Williams in Newfoundland and Labrador. We're working with Jean Charest's Liberals in Quebec. In every part of this country, we are working in partnership with 3,700 different municipalities. We're working hard with 13 provincial and territorial governments, and we're getting the job done. And all the carping from the member opposite, Mr. Speaker, isn't going to change the jobs and hope and opportunity that are being created in every part of this country.